Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to do some test swatches of the new acrylic inks that I got from Liquitex, and I'm also going to swatch my watercolour palette. I've got these references here, but I'll be able to tell what the paint colours are on the paper. So let's get on with these three here. And these are a different acrylic ink than I've used. I've got a couple of the Dahlia and Rowney ones, but in my vlog last week I opened these, said that they were on offer and that's the reason why I got them. I never know whether you're supposed to shake them up or not. So this is Iridescent Rich Bronze, and all I'm going to do is, it's a really, it's a bit of a weird dropper. Oh, that's really thick. It's like a it's like a really thick bit of paint there. Just gonna swatch it like that and then do a bit of a squirt. Oh yeah, it will spread. Oh, shake well. No, that one didn't say shake well. This one says shake well. This one doesn't say anything. Maybe because it's the iridescent. It's got different, right, so let's shake this one. This one is, well, it says it's turquoise, but it looks quite dark. This is much less thick. Oh, you only need a tiny bit. I didn't used to be a messy painter until I started playing with liquid acrylics. Yeah, you only need a tiny bit of that because it's quite thick. Whoa. Oh, lovely though. Look at that. And then that one, the quinacridone magenta doesn't say shake either. But you would have thought that they were all pretty much the similar consistency, similar treatments. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I don't know if the light is picking up the light of these, but yeah, you do not need a lot of that at all. Oh yes, I like those. They will be a good addition to the journaling. Moving on to something less messy. I decided to swatch these in the back of my sketchbook because it's got a lovely black cover, but it does tend to rub off on the back page and unfortunately the front page, which I've already painted on, but you can't see it too badly on that. So I thought it would be a good idea to swatch these, and I'm going to use the watercolour brush because that's what I tend to use with these paints. Yeah, this one's not going to show that much. What I'm literally going to do is just do a little swatch of each one. They've all got numbers, so write the numbers in. and then I might do a couple of mixes of the colours as well. So that's, they're all C. Whether this will remind me like what colour that is, because that looks really, really black. So I have to kind of count on here which one it is. So maybe it'll help with that system. Anyway, I'm going to get on with this and see what colours it produces. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick up the colours on the bottom of the palette here, but C33 and C36 look very purple on there to me. And 33 is definitely blue and 36 is definitely blue. So that's why it is actually a good idea to swatch your paints. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix a couple of them, of the blues and the yellows, to make some greens, because these greens are all very well, that one's alright, but they're not kind of earthy tones. And the other thing to bear in mind is that obviously these are straight off the palette. Usually I would mix them on here so that it wouldn't be as strong a colour. There we have the two yellows, 3 and 5, mixed with 29, 31, 33, 34, 36, 37. And I started here, I got confused when I got to 34 as to how far down the palette I'd done, so I started it again. So we'll just ignore those two. I have no idea what mixes they are. But that will give me quite a good range of greens other than these ones. And I could have mixed the number 6 because that is, it looks less orangey on here, but I really like that 15. I need to find something to paint with that, and the purples, they're lovely. That is going to be really helpful for me when I'm next out and about sketching. While I was swatching the watercolours, These have pretty much dried apart from this little bit here, so just to show you the difference with them being wet and being dried there. It's also a fun little exercise to do. I saw Sandy Hester does it all the time with her new paints and things and markers, and it probably is quite a good exercise to do. So I've had fun with that. I hope you enjoyed watching it and are inspired to swatch your own watercolour paints. And if you have enjoyed the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Leave me a comment and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!